WESTTUNE camping round table with light stand. Sturdy material. Our camping table are made of ABS and aluminum, with thicker table tops and thicker corners, making folding table more robust and stable, but camp table still lightweight. Easy to assemble. Camping tables that fold up lightweight are very easy to install. Just insert the table corners to the appropriate position. Folding camping table is removable, easy to carry, lightweight, with a carrying case. Portable table dimensions are: tabletop diameter 14.5 inch, table legs are 14.2-22, weight 2.2 pounds. Adjustable height. Camping table with retractable table legs can be adjusted to the height you need according to your needs, for your convenience. At the same time, portable camping table corner with a clear scale can facilitate you to better adjust the height of the clear scale. Scale can better maintain the balance of the folding camp table. Anti-slip design. Small camping table corners with non-slip protective cover design can effectively prevent the camping folding table from sliding. The desktop with rounded corners raised design. Effective protection. Your items from the desktop slip. Come with mesh bag. Each table come with a triangular mesh bag that can be hung between 3 table legs and put some small camping items. A variety of options. We have 3 colors of black, wood grain color and marble color, and there are 2 options, with or without light stand, to meet the different needs of each customer. Specification. Name: camping round table. Color: black, wood grain color and marble color. Material: ABS and aluminum.